Hello to my viewers. I have a topic today which is, I don't know if this is possible or impossible. This is arithmetic sequence. This maths is intended for grade 10 in the Philippines. So I have here the given a sub 1, or my first term is negative 10. My a sub 6 equals negative 18. And then I have a sub 10, which is the unknown. Is it possible or impossible? So let us solve if this is possible. So I need to use these two terms. So I will use my last term will be a sub 6 is equal to a sub 1 plus round brackets n minus 1 times the difference. Okay? Since I have the value of a sub 6 which is negative 18, and then I have also my a sub 1 which is negative 10. Now what's my n? Since from my a sub 6 is a subscript is 6, so I will use 6 minus 1. Then this will be the unknown, the difference. So this is negative 18 is equal to negative 10. And then plus 6, take away 1, that is 5 times d. Okay? Solving for 5d, negative 18. Transpose to the left, that will be positive 10 is equal to 5d. What is negative 18 plus 8? Since this is unlike sign, so we will use subtraction. So 18 take away 10, that will be 8. And what's the sign? The sign is negative because 18 is greater than 10 and 18 is having a negative sign. So therefore, this is negative 8. And then this will be equal to 5d. Solving for the difference. Divide both sides by 5. So this will be d is equal to, there, since the space is limited, so I will move in here. D is equal to negative 8 over 5. Okay? That is now the difference. Now, the unknown is a sub 10. So we can use this one. A sub 10 is equal to a sub 1 plus n minus 1 times the difference. So a sub 1 is negative 10. 10 plus n is the subscript, which is 10. 10 minus 1. The difference is negative 8 over 5. Okay, so this will be negative 10 plus, what is 10? Take away 1. That is 9 times negative 8 over 5. Since this is the numerator, and then I will put denominator. So this is negative 10. So take note, positive times negative, that will be negative. Then multiply numerators, that is 72. Then multiply denominators, 1 times 5 is 5. Now what is my a sub 10? Since I don't have my denominator for negative 10, so I will put 1. And then I will make, or I will find the LCD. Just multiply that one. So 5. 5 divided by 1 is 5 times negative 10, that is negative 50. Minus 5 divided by 5 is 1 times 72, that will be 72. Equals, what is 50 plus 72? This will be 2. This is 12. 122. So the answer is negative 122 over 5. Why is it negative 5? Because like sign or like terms, so copy the common and then add this one. So I've got 122, negative 122 over 5. Now let us check if this is correct. This is negative 122 over 5. Okay, let us check. So A1, we will start from A1, negative 10. That is my A1. Now A2, how to solve A2? A sub 2 will be equal to negative 10 plus this one. Since this is plus and minus, that will be minus 8 over 5. So how do I solve this fraction without using calculator? So this will be over 1. And then this one, 11 times 8. No, sorry, this one. 11 times 5. I was mistake. So it should be, this is 5. This is my LCD since this is the similar fraction. So 5 divided by 1, that is 5 times negative 10. This is negative 50. Minus 5 divided by 5 is 1 times 8. This is 8. Since this is like sign, so I will put negative and then add 50 plus 50 and 8. This will be negative 58 over 5. So my second term will be negative 58 over 5. This is my A sub 2. Next, A sub 3. A sub 3. Okay, how to solve A sub 3? A sub 3 is equal to negative 58 over 5 plus the difference is negative 8 over 5. This will be 8 over 5. Similar fraction. Common denominator will be 5. And then this one, 58. 8. This will be 16. Carry 1. 6. I've got 66 over 5. A sub 3. The sign must be negative because like terms. So this will be negative 66 over 5. Now my A4. What is my A4? A sub 4. Take note A10. Let us check this one if this is correct. A4 will be A4 is equal to A3. Negative 66 over 5 minus 8 over 5. So similar fraction, so common denominator is 5. And then add this one, 66 and 8. This is 14, carry 1, 74, negative 74 over 5. Negative 74 over 5. That's A sub 4. Now let's proceed to A sub 5. A sub 5. A sub 5 is equal to negative 74 over 5 minus the difference 8 over 5. So the same, take the common denominator which is 5 and then add this one. 74 plus 8. 74 plus 8. This is 12. Carry 1. 82. So this is negative 82 over 5. Negative 82 over 5. How about A sub 6? We're almost. A sub 6. A sub 6 is A sub 5, negative 82 over 5 minus 8 over 5. Since similar fraction, common denominator, 5. And then, like sign, so this will be negative. Then 82 plus 8. This will be 0. Carry 1, 90. Negative 90 over 5. This is negative 90 over 5. A sub 7. A sub 7 in here. So A sub 7 is equal to A sub 6. Negative 90 over 5 minus the difference because this supposedly this is plus, but plus times minus, that will be minus. So I use minus in here. So this will be minus 8 over 5. Take note, similar fraction. So take common denominator, which is 5. And then this will be negative 90 and then negative 8. So therefore, this is negative 98 over 5. So that is my A sub 7. Negative 98 over 5. Now, let's solve A sub 8. A sub 8. A sub 8 is equal to A sub 7. Negative 98 over 5. Difference is 8 over 5. Common denominator is 5. Then 98 negative. And then negative 8. So 98. Sorry, this is 98. 98 and then 8. This will be 16. Carry 1. 106. So this will be negative 106 over 5. So my A sub 8 is 106 over 5. Okay, so almost to finish. So A sub 9. This will be A sub 9. A sub 9 is equals to A sub 8. Negative 106 over 5 minus 8 over 5. So, common denominator is 5. Then, minus 106 minus 8. So, what is 106? And then, 8. This is 14. Carry 1. 1. 1. So, this is negative 114 over 5. So, this is negative 114 over 5. A sub 9. And then the last, A sub 10. Hopefully, we come up with the correct answer. So, A sub 10, we are the last term to be solved. So, A sub 10. A sub 10 will be equal to A sub 9, which is negative 114 over 5, negative, take note. And then, minus 8 over 5. This is similar fraction. Common denominator is 5. And then copy this one, negative 14. And then negative 8. So what is 114? 114 plus 8. This is 12. Carry 1. 2. Then 1. So this is negative 122 over 5. So we come up with the correct answer. So this is negative 122 over 5. So, A sub 10 is the same with the computation. So, negative 122 over 5. That's all for this topic.